Balance the given equation KMnO4 plus H2SO4 plus FeSO4 giving K2SO4 plus MnSO4 plus Fe2SO4 thrice plus H2O. First of all, let us find the elements or atoms which are undergoing oxidation and reduction. Let us take KMnO4. KMnO4. Oxidation state of potassium is +1. Let us find the oxidation state of manganese. Oxygen is -2. -2 into 4, -8. There is no overall charge. So +1 plus x plus -8 equals 0. No overall charge. So x equals, this -8 will become +8 and this +1 will become -1. So +7. Mn is in its +7 oxidation state. So let us write it like that. Mn +7. Giving, let us find the Mn term on the right hand side. MnSO4. MnSO4 sulfate together is having -2 oxidation state. So Mn should be having +2 oxidation state. Sum will be 0. So Mn is having +2 oxidation state. So Mn +7 giving Mn 2+. Okay, this can be 7+ and this is 2+. Next is FeSO4. In FeSO4, sulfate oxidation state, oxidation number is -2. What about iron? Iron should be +2. Then the sum will be equal to 0. So we will write the next equation as Fe, this is 2+, giving, what about Fe2SO4 thrice? Fe2SO4 thrice, 3 times. So let X be the oxidation number of Fe. There are 2 Fe atoms. So 2X plus SO4 is -2. -2 into 3. 3 SO4 equal to 0. No overall charge. So 2x minus 6 equals 0 and 2x equals, this -6 will become +6 and x is equal to +3. So Fe2 plus has changed to Fe2 3+. Now let us take each of these equations, that is Mn7 plus giving Mn2 plus. There are no other atoms, oxygen or hydrogen, nothing is there, only manganese and 1 atom of manganese on both sides. But we have to balance the charges. On this side, left hand side, there is +7 and on the right hand side there is +2. What is the difference between +7 and +2? It is 5. So let us add 5 electrons to the more positive side. Okay, now the charges are balanced. -5 and +7 will give you +2. Right hand side +2. Let us write the next one. Fe2 plus giving Fe2 3+. There is only 1 Fe on the left hand side. There are 2 on the right hand side. So let us put a 2 here. Now Fe iron atoms are balanced. Now let us look at the charges. Here 2 into 2. 4 plus or +4. And what about here? This 2 into 3, 6 plus. So difference between 4 and 6 is 2. Let us add 2 electrons to the more positive side. This is 6 plus and this is 4 plus. Now that is also done. Now what we have to do is we have to make the number of electrons in both the equations the same. For that we have to multiply this equation by 2 and multiply this equation by 5. On doing that, we will get this as 10, this number of electrons as 10 here. Now let us write the equations. That is 2 into 5, 10 E minus plus 2 Mn7 plus giving 2 Mn2 plus, and the next equation is 10 Fe2 plus giving 5 Fe2 3 plus 10 electrons. Now what we can do is we can cancel out these 10 electrons. Both sides have 10 electrons. So we have cancelled them. Let us now add these equations. Before adding, let us make the coefficients, or let us find these entities in the main equation. 2 Mn7 plus. We got that from KMnO4. So let us make 2 the coefficient of KMnO4. 2 KMnO4. Then H2SO4 term is not in here. So let us see. Next one is FeSO4. So that is this 10 FeSO4. 10 FeSO4. Sorry. Then anything else? Not on this side. Giving 2 Mn2 plus. That is MnSO4. So 2 MnSO4 plus 5 Fe3 plus. Fe3 plus we got from Fe2SO4 thrice. That is 5 Fe2 3 plus. So that is 5 Fe2SO4 thrice. Now let us look if this equation is balanced. Is it balanced? No. We have 2 potassium atoms on the left hand side and there is no potassium on the right hand side. But in the given equation there is a potassium sulfate. So let us write that here. That is plus K2SO4. Now we have 2 potassium atoms on the right hand side and 2 on the left hand side. Now let us look at the number of sulfates. Here on the left hand side we have 10 SO4. On the left hand side 10 SO4. Right hand side 2 SO4 plus 5 into 3, 15 SO4. So 2 plus 15, 17 SO4 plus 1 SO4 here, 18 SO4 on the right hand side. Whereas here we have only 10 SO4. So let us put H2SO4 here. How much or how many? 8 H2SO4. So here now the number of SO4 is also balanced. Sulfate 10 plus 8, 18 sulfates on the left hand side. Here 2 plus 15, 17 plus 1, 18 sulfates on the right hand side. Now what else? Here we have 8 H2 and on the right hand side there is no H2, but in our original equation there is an H2O. So let us make that 8 H2O. Okay, so number of hydrogens is also balanced. Now just a little thing, let us look at the number of oxygens which are not there in sulfates. Here we can see 2 into 4, 8 oxygen atoms on the left hand side. The rest are all sulfates. On the right hand side we have 8 oxygens. So now we have got the balanced equation. I'll rewrite it like 2 KMnO4 plus 10 FeSO4 plus 8 H2SO4 giving 2 MnSO4 plus 5 Fe2, sorry, this is 2 Fe2SO4 thrice plus K2SO4 plus 8 H2O. Pretty long one, but that is our balanced equation.